Okay, welcome back. So right now we're going to talk about solving an equation, and what it means to solve an equation is often to find the value of a polynomial or a unknown algebraic term. So the first method we looked at was just by doing inspection or guess and check, but now we're going to look at a process called undoing. And all that undoing is working how we've gotten to our final form of our equation and how we can go back to just having the polynomial. So if we look at our first one, A, we have 8 times y is equal to 64. Now our polynomial here of interest is y, and what have we changed? Well, we've multiplied it by 8 to get to 64, right? 8 times y became 64. So what we can do to undo that is instead divide by 8, and we should go back to whatever y originally was. So you can do multiple steps like this. It doesn't just have to be one, it can be multiple. So let's get started. So instead of doing 8 times y, we're going to do 64 divided by 8 should give us y. Y should equal 64 divided by 8. And 64 divided by 8 is just 8. Okay, let's look at another one and hopefully it'll make a bit more sense. So if we look at B, we have 12 multiplied by L is equal to 36. So if we started out with L, we've gone to this 36 by multiplying it by 12, which means we can go back to L by dividing 36 by 12. So we can do L is equal to 36 divided by 12. And 36 divided by 12 is just 3. Let's look at C. So for C, we have m multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. That means from m to 24, I have multiplied by 3, which means to go from 24 to m, I simply divide by 3. So m is equal to 24 divided by 3, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. Alright, let's look at D. So for D, we have D minus 15 is equal to 7. So we've started at D, and to get to 7, we've taken away 15. So in order to get back to D, we have to add 15. So D is equal to 7 plus 15. Alright, so in this case, D is equal to 22. Alright, so here's a couple you can practice, so just pause the video, give them a go, and I'll solve them in just a moment. Okay, let's get going. So for A, we have K plus 5 is equal to 20. So we started out with K, and then we added 5, and we got 20. That means in order to get K, all we have to do is take away 5 and go back the other way. So therefore K is equal to 20 minus 5, and that just equals 15. If we look at B, we have x divided by 3 is equal to 6. So we've started at x, we've gone to 6 by dividing by 3. So to go back towards x, we have to do the opposite and multiply by 3. So x is equal to 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. If we look at C, we have s plus 9 is equal to 40. So we've gone from s to 40 by adding 9, and to go back the other way we have to do the opposite, so we take away 9. So s is equal to 40 minus 9, and that is equal to 31. For D, we have 25 is equal to e plus 10. So we've started at e, we've got to 25 by adding 10. So to get back to e, we have to minus 10. In that case, e is equal to 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15. Alright, that's it for this video, so I hope it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.